Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation A to Z. We are back with another helpful job and training related video, and this time it's Boeing, the world's largest aerospace company, who is looking for highly motivated individuals for 3 years of apprentice program. So watch this video till end to know what are the requirements, tasks, overview, how to apply for it and benefit. So let us get started. We all know in detail about Boeing, and if you don't know, then check out a detailed video on Boeing and its aerospace competitor by clicking I button here. But only few of us know what is Boeing UK. Why I am saying this? Because Boeing is looking for aircraft maintenance technician apprentice for its Salisbury, England UK division. So let's see in brief about Boeing UK. Boeing UK is a subsidiary of Boeing that operates in United Kingdom and Republic of Ireland. It was founded on 17 Jan 2002, 19 years ago, and has more than 2,500 employees working till date. The Boeing UK facility is managed by Martin Donnelly, who has also served as president of Boeing Europe. Boeing UK operates in more than 65 locations across the United Kingdom and Ireland, with its primary headquarters located in Westminster. Boeing in UK provides aircraft maintenance services to various customers in both the commercial and defense sectors. The company also engages in educational projects related to aerospace, working alongside charity partners such as Royal Aeronautical Society, Air League, and Royal Air Force. The Boeing UK provides various services like support solutions, flight simulators, aircraft maintenance, IT service, aircraft part productions, and also it has 4 divisions: Boeing Sheffield, Boeing Commercial Aviation Services Europe, number 3 Boeing Flight Services, and finally Technical Services. Now you know everything about Boeing UK. Let us see in detail about Boeing UK Apprenticeship program. Let us see job overview. Boeing UK is offering an exciting and challenging opportunity to join their unique Boeing Aircraft Maintenance Apprenticeship program. This 3 years program is aimed at developing highly motivated individuals into professional aircraft engineers and assist in delivery of a world-class engineer maintenance operations across various sites within the United Kingdom. During this program, successful candidates will learn about and get practical hands-on experience of maintaining commercial and defense aircraft on various fixed-wing and rotary platforms such as Chinook, Apache, P-8A, C-17 Globemaster, Boeing 737, and 787 Dreamliner aircrafts. This unique dual-threaded program will be located at various sites Boeing operates in United Kingdom throughout the program. So a willingness to travel, live and work in different locations is the requirement. Now let us see the task you will carry out. Number 1. Perform routine scheduled aircraft maintenance. Number 2. Perform unscheduled defect rectification. Number 3. Fault finding and rectification. Number 4. Perform aircraft modification. Number 5. Use and follow approved maintenance documentation. Number 6. Ensure you adhere to health and safety policies and procedures. Number 7. Working to given timescales. Number 8. Work alongside skilled technician to provide you with the knowledge needed to become fully trained technician. Number 9. You will also be expected to respond quickly to challenging demands throughout your working day. So be prepared and stay fit. Now let us see course outline, that is how you will spend your 3 years in Boeing UK. First year of the course will be spent at International Centre for Aircraft Maintenance Training (ICAT) located at Cardiff Airport. During this time, all EASA A license modules will be undertaken in addition to NVQ level 2 in AME. During first 10 months, while at ICAT accommodation will be provided. So yes, it's for EASA students studying in Europe or for any EASA students willing to do this apprenticeship at Boeing UK facilities. Now second and third year will be spent in rotation, that is 6 to 12 months at a time at one of the Boeing's UK facilities. During this time, you will be working towards NVQ level 3 in AV at workplace. Under supervision, this training will be on live aircraft with aim of becoming qualified technician at the end of this course. Now let us see what skills are required from your side. Be a highly motivated individuals with following skills: two-way communication, adaptability, problem-solving nature, engagement, teamwork, be able to work on your own initiative, and have a good organization and timekeeping skills. Now let us see eligibility criteria or entry-level requirements. First, 5 GCSE grade A to C / 9 to 4 or equivalent, including English and science. Physics will be preferred more, or GCSE mathematics at minimum of B/5 grade, or 3 A levels or BTech equivalent. Finally, let us see some important announcement or points by Boeing UK. Important information regarding this position. This requisition is for locally hired position in the UK. Candidate must have current legal authorization to work immediately in the United Kingdom. Boeing will not attempt to obtain immigration and labor sponsorship for any applicants. Benefits and pay are determined at local level, that is UK level, and are not part of Boeing US-based payroll system. So what are you waiting for? If you think you are eligible, then please apply now by clicking link in description or visit official website jobs.boeing.com. That was all for today. I hope you get what you deserve, and soon we will provide a source where you get quick job updates, so stay tuned and subscribe our channel. And if you found this video informative, then please hit a like and share it so that it reaches to eligible candidate. Finally, thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, stay safe.